How to sell more of your products online. If you run an online store selling products, such as tools, jewelry, makeup, gifts, clothing, or any other products, you make more money when you sell more products. Since the objective of any business is to make money, online store owners know that the more products they sell, the more money they can make. How can I sell more of my products online? Is one of the most common questions I hear from my clients is. Here are several tips that will help you sell more of your products online and generate more revenue. Show off the products in the best possible light. When people buy a product, they want to know what the product looks like. If someone is buying a couch, they want to be able to see if that couch would fit with the rest of their furniture before actually buying it. If someone wants to buy a piece of jewelry, they want to see what the jewelry looks like before buying it. Therefore, the best way for you to convince your website visitors that your products are right for them is by showing the products in the best possible light. Have high quality, detailed pictures of your products on your website so that people are convinced that they need your product as soon as they see it. Make your website easy to use. If someone comes to your website to purchase your products, make sure they can find exactly what you are looking for. Your website should have clear and concise navigation that is exactly the same on every page of the website. An easy-to-use navigation ensures that your website visitors find what they are looking for on your website and purchase it. Optimize website for search engines. Another good way to drive more customers to your website and increase your online sales is by optimizing your website for search engines. Search engine optimization is the process of modifying web page content and meta information to improve the search engine ranking of the page. Meta information includes certain HTML tags: title, heading, emphasized text, keyword and description meta tags, as well as the internal links between pages on the same site and external links between pages on different sites. Link structure of a website. Optimizing your website helps you improve your search engine rankings and drive more targeted traffic to your website. Create a blog to promote your business. A blog is your business diary, in which you share the information about your business, your new products, different ways of using your products, and much more. Your blog is an excellent tool to let the world know about your business and your products, to connect with potential customers and promote what you have to offer. In order to bring the most online traffic and make money with your blog, make sure that your blog consistently and create blog posts that are of interest to your past as well as potential customers. Regular posts that are interesting to read is what will keep your readers coming back and buying from you. The internet is a great place to sell your products. When you know how to market your business online, you bring more website traffic, get more product sales, and make more money.